everyone, stop exercising. Don't you exercise and you feel tired, weak, or you might have back pain, maybe knee pain, or any pain throughout the body? After you start exercising, and if you feel exhausted or you have any sort of pains, it is a clear indication of lot of things. Firstly, you're ideally deficient in any of the nutrient, or you're not having a well balanced eating pattern. And after you start exercising, your body's requirement of calories increases. So even if you are providing more calories to your body, are you sure that you're providing healthy calories or unhealthy calories? If you're providing unhealthy calories, it would have a negative or a harmful effects to your body rather than you benefiting from exercise. Along with exercise, eating pattern plays a very important role. Each and every person has got different strength and stamina. So as per the strength and stamina, their body's requirement is also different for each person. Meaning, if A person can cover 4 to 5 kilometers in 30 minutes, B person might take 1 hour to cover the same distance. At the same time, when it comes to strength, if some person is just taking 5 minutes to climb 5 floors, some might take 10 minutes to climb 5 floors, which means over your strength also varies. So as stamina and strength is different for different types of individual, so depending upon the strength and stamina, your body's requirement is also different. So over here, many of us have a habit to Google what to eat at what time, what to eat in the morning, what to eat before workout, what to eat after workout. But it's a very generalized information. It is not personalized as per your body needs, as per your body requirements. So if you just go on Google and just eat whatever you want as per what is mentioned on internet, it is not going to have beneficial effects of exercise to your body. As we already discussed, it might have negative effects or deteriorating effects to your body because your body is not meeting the requirements what your body requires. That was the main reason for me to tell you not to exercise if eating pattern is not balanced with the exercise intensity what you do. As exercise is individualized and customized as per your fitness routine, same way your eating pattern also has to be personalized as per your body's requirement. Feel free to get your customized plan as well as per your workout routine, your intensity level. My contact details are mentioned in the description box below. I would be planning a personalized diet plan for you as the day goes, meaning from the time you wake up till the time you sleep, what are you supposed to have and what your eating pattern should be. I would be planning a personalized eating pattern considering not only the workout intensity but even the other health parameters as well. With this piece of information, at least I am hoping that you're clear with this concept. To have beneficial effects of exercise to your body, it has to be supported with proper nutrition. Please share this information to your contact because so many people are exercising, but when they don't achieve their desired fitness goal, they get demotivated and end of the day they stop exercising without knowing the crux of the problem or trying to remove the solution, that is their exercise wasn't supported with proper nutrition. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to clear more myths and facts and get more health information as well. Till then, stay tuned to Purvi's Nutrition Studio.